Oof! Guys, welcome back to Freddy's World, and Freddy is here. And we got the Legend of Arcado Power Storm, and this is what's it called? Oh yeah, the Triple Strike Tag Team Arena. See it, guys? Up right here. Alright, guys. Let's open it. But I already opened it because there's no tape. So, and this is where you open it. This is the back of it. So let's open this up. Ugh. Oh man, no way. Oh, and also this. No way. Wait. Oh, we got some cool characters. Ow! We got some cool characters too. Cover character. We got this again. And oh, this is so big. I can't believe I actually bought this. Wait, what? I thought it already. Wait a second. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? What just happened? What? Look. Why? I thought it's already put together. That's kind of weird. Arcado. Weird Arcado stuff. Come on. Get it out. Why isn't get it out? Oh, okay. This needs to get out. Ugh. Yes, wait, I think I got it. Why can't this open? Oh, we finally got it out. Let's go! Wait a second. Wait. Do they need batteries? Wait, let's put it on. Yep, it needs batteries. What do we do? See, the button doesn't work. What are we gonna do? Guys, now we gotta put this together. This is probably gonna take a long time. Well, we just have to snap this in. Like so. Wait. Yo! That's some cool, sick stuff. Now we gotta put it like that. And, what? Oh, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna pause it.